What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today in an effort to make this white golf cart black, this happened. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are changing out this beat up white top for a black one. So I have all the tools here to do that. Let's get her done. Alright guys, welcome back. I got the new top all put in, nice and shiny black top, and I think now I will polish it up with some of the black restoring stuff if I have enough, and then I'll let you guys know how that turned out. But yeah, the black top is in. I really like it. It definitely changes the card a lot. I can't wait to get a black body put in or a matte black wrap. I'm so hyped. Got the Meguiar's Ultimate Black Restoration on this. Oh boy, I did a terrible job right there. Let's go back and get that place that I really messed up. There we go, much better. Anyway, got the Ultimate Black Restoration. Top's in good shape. It has a couple of little scuffs on it on the side, but nothing too bad. Like right there, that looks like a casting error when they cast the plastic, but other than that, it looks pretty dang good, and I'm super excited about being able to, and it's got a few little pits right here, but those all look like manufacturing defects, I think. Other than that, the top looks great. And now our next step will be run to the hardware store, see if we can get some black fasteners to replace those, and maybe even these handle fasteners. I don't know why they would be silver, but yeah, I think those are probably the same exact dimensions, so I'll try to get 2, 4, 6, 8 of those to replace all the silver stuff, and then we'll see what happens after that.